Many thousands of years ago, in the land of ancient Egypt, where the Nile River flowed with strength and the sun shone upon golden temples, there lived a young boy named Khamu. He was chosen to become a temple priest in the great city of Thebes. In ancient Egypt, young priests were trained not only to serve the gods, but also to control their bodies, minds, and desires. This discipline was considered sacred because it protected the purity of the temple. Khamu was only 14 when he began his training. He wore a simple white linen cloth, walked with dignity, and kept his head shaved as a symbol of cleanliness. But inside, he faced a struggle that many young boys faced: strong desires and secret temptations. Khamu often felt these desires late at night when the temple was silent and the moonlight fell across the ancient walls. At first, he did not understand why he felt this way, but he knew he needed strength to resist. One day, the High Priest Neb-Amun, a wise old man with calm eyes, called Khamu into the inner chamber. He asked gently, "My son, why does your heart look troubled?" Khamu fell to his knees and whispered, "Master, I am fighting desires that try to take control of my body. I do not want to fail the temple." Neb-Amun smiled with understanding. "Rise, Khamu. You are not the first young priest to face these battles. Even in ancient days, every priest walked this same road." Then he told him the secret teachings passed down for generations. The first teaching, the ancient Egyptian discipline of the mind. Neb-Amun explained that the mind is like a river. If you let dirty water enter it, the whole river becomes unclean. He told Khamu, avoid staring at images or carvings that awaken desire. Avoid imagining things that weaken the heart. Train the mind to think of strength, duty, and purpose. He said, "What the eyes see, the mind remembers. Guard your eyes, and your body will obey your spirit." The second teaching, keep your hands busy with purpose. Egyptians believed that idleness invited temptation. So Khamu learned to copy sacred scrolls, to clean the temple floors, to grind incense, to help prepare offerings, to study ancient wisdom. Neb-Amun said, "When your hands are busy, your heart will stay peaceful." The third teaching, purification through water and prayer. Every morning before sunrise, the young priests bathed in the sacred pool. The water symbolized cleansing the body and mind. Khamu prayed, "O gods of the Nile, wash away my weakness. Make my spirit stronger than my flesh." These morning rituals gave him clarity and discipline. The fourth teaching, company of the wise. Neb-Amun explained that temptation grows stronger when a young priest is alone for too long. So Khamu began spending more time with other young priests, studying with them, practicing chants, listening to stories of ancient heroes, sharing his struggles. Together, they learned that strength grows inside community. The turning point. Months passed. Khamu learned to master his rising desires instead of letting them master him. He realized, temptations were not a sign of weakness. They were part of growing up. True power came from self-control, not secret pleasure. One night, when the moon was bright, Khamu looked at the temple pillars and felt something new inside him. Victory. He said softly to himself, "I am no longer a boy controlled by my body. I am a priest who controls his spirit." The lesson from ancient Egypt. The story of Khamu teaches us that even in ancient civilizations, young people faced private temptations. They overcame those temptations through discipline, purpose, prayer, and wisdom. Self-control is a timeless strength respected across history. Just like Khamu, anyone today can stand strong if they follow ancient principles of purity and discipline.